how to customize the tap duration on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then we scroll down and in here, tap on tap duration. In here, you'll be able to set how long you have to touch for a tap to be recognized. So if you would like to use this feature, tap on the toggle button at the top to use it. Now tap on test here twice to test. And that's it. After, you can tap on this button to turn it on, then tap on keep on to switch it on. Otherwise, you can switch it off. And that's it. So you can also tap on here to increase or decrease the time. So this is useful if you need to touch and hold on the screen a bit longer than usual. And that's it. So that is how you can switch it off. To switch it on again, it asks me to tap here twice to test. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.